Hey, what's up internet? It's your boy once again, MALAI REN, with another quick unboxing. This time round, XM Studios Comic Edition Captain? Captain in? No man, we have yeah, you got Winter Soldier this time round. As usual, there's no art box, pretty standard XM Studio stuff. Little bit details on the character itself. It comes with your user guidebook, and as always, a really neat art print. Nothing much to it. Let's open up and see what's the content. Right. In the handy guide, it shows what you expect in the box. So here we have Winter Soldier body, his head sculpt, all the arms, switch out arms. This is the switch out arms with the dagger. This is the one with the big ass gun or grenade launcher or something. Base attachment, and this is the base itself. Alright, let's fix this sucker up. Alright, all assembled, Winter Soldier. I decided to put up the pieces to match the upprint itself. The dual wielding gun toting Winter Soldier. Now let's take a look at the pieces. The base very simple but nicely done. I like the paint application on it. The weathering look looks very battle damage. It's from some workshop or something. Winter Soldier itself, he has that mercenary special soldier outfit, uniform type thing. I don't know. He has the holster, the pouches, all different colors. The way that the pockets is has different shades on it to accentuate different type of leather. Probably has a vest at the front, and we got the metallic arm on the side with a big ass gun. We got a different shade of leather on the side. Guns look realistic enough. We only have one head sculpt. Does his job. Alright, we got a switch out parts for the arms. So go and check it out. And this is his unarmed combat, or as someone would say, a personal kind of kill. Yeah, there you go. I think it's nice, simple but it works. Nothing too fancy here. He looks the part of a super soldier, I guess. That's it. That's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you next time. See you, internet.